back at it again with another video, you know, this N54 madness. I'm looking to get the car tuned. I'm most likely gonna get it tuned by Wedge Performance. The car keeps getting me this 30 FE code and 3100, I believe. And I keep looking online, you know, people keep saying it's gonna be the boost solenoids or the T-map sensor, which I already replaced. I put a 3.5 bar for higher boost, you know, so I can hit over 20 pounds with no problem. And I just went ahead and ordered these new boost solenoids off of SCP Euro. So I'm gonna just change them out just for maintenance, and plus I'm gonna be pushing more power. I'm gonna just start off by taking this shroud off, possibly gonna be taking off the filters too. And I mean, it shouldn't be that hard. It's just 2 connectors and these 4 bolts right there, and the vacuum lines. Alright, my phone just died, but here are the 2 old ones. You hear that? This one isn't. Okay, there you go. Those 2 are like clicking in the inside. And if I shake the new one, there's no noise. I'm gonna just pass the little this line over to the new ones and then put it back in. They're a little annoying to get out, but not that hard. Quick little 10-minute job, I would say. Alright, I got everything done. Got the vacuum lines ran, connecting the new sensor, the new boost solenoids. Got the air filter on in the shroud. I'm gonna turn the car on, see if, you know, everything is okay. It should be. Let's see. Oh, there. Still got the check engine light. We'll just stop to the edge of the road. We got the code. And we got all these misfires, and then I still have this same boost pressure, 3100 and 30. I've got the car tuned by Wedge Performance. I've only sent 1 log and they still haven't sent the retune, so it's still on the first map they have sent me, so it's not on its final version. But yeah, I just want to, you know, record this real quick since I'm talking about getting the car tuned. I just ordered this, so I guess this is an unboxing video as well. You see I got the Precision Raceworks coil packs. I was thinking about going with Beamer Life, you know, the R8 conversion from the Audis, but this was a better option for me because I'm getting the car tuned, you know, and I didn't want to wait like 3 weeks for it to get here, so I just ordered the Precision Raceworks. They were actually a little cheaper than the Beamer Life, so yeah. The only difference is that these have the dumb coils, which means that this piece, this piece is not on the actual coil pack, and the Beamer Life ones are, which are smart coil packs, but there's no difference. They're both perform very good. They have very good reviews online, so that shouldn't really make a difference. But yeah, I mean, I think I don't need to make a install video on this. This is pretty straightforward. 30-minute install became into a whole 3-hour, 4-hour job because I have relocated inlets. So this PCV system right here, you know, I had a hose that ran through here and then around. Well, it's the same one, but it used to basically run through here. And this whole what do you call, assembly goes all the way in there, and that line was bothering it because you have to bolt it down to these two 10 mil bolts. So now I just gotta find a way to route this hose like what, like tucked in more. You can see I basically have an idea already. I'm using the same hose, but I ran a straight one from there, so it basically makes a 90-degree right there like that, and that should give me enough clearance to install this whole rail. So I went to Home Depot, got this elbow. It's a 1-inch. This is what I'm doing, this whole contraction right here, just so I can have space so I can put the whole bar in like that basically. So I'm gonna try to put this in. It's a very tight fit. Finally got it done. It's nighttime. Looks pretty good. I still had so much like fitment issues with this, so I had to drill a hole right here. You see originally where it comes. I drilled one more towards the edge so it could give me like a centimeter of more space, and that helped me a lot to make it fit. So right now I'm gonna just turn on the car, see if it actually starts now. Even though you have to go on MHD and basically tell the car it's on precision tuning now. MHD, go back to options, and then it should be right here. OEM, precision race. Yeah, that's it. And then you just upload the options on it, and it shouldn't even take that long because it's the same tune. You're just changing the ignition.